So I finally got Willow. It was a big challenge to get a hold of this doll, but I finally did. I was almost forced to import her, like I did with the OMGs, because here in South Africa we have got no LOL doll stock. But at least I got her from Toy Kingdom, which is not too bad. So let's open this girl up and see what she looks like. Just as a reminder, make sure to cut all the tape so you can access the doll easily and not damage the whole box. I do need to add, I actually sent just play an email asking them if they're willing to send me any dolls for review, and I actually sent that to a couple of companies, but Just Play were the only one to actually reply and said they will keep me in mind for future opportunities. So I must say, you go Just Play. And we are almost home free. Few more places to cut, and then we can start seeing Willow and all her awesome accessories. So let's see. And there she is. She is absolutely beautiful. And she's a unicorn, hey? Okay, Willow, so let's see what you've got. So I'm gonna start with all the blind bags first. So let's see what's behind number one. Not gonna open them though, just gonna take them out. And first there's a awesome stand. As you can see, clouds and rainbows. She's definitely a unicorn. Okay, so this is just a very useful guide about the doll and what you can do to make it easier when dressing and undressing her. As you can see, you can remove the hands, but I didn't need to do that, so that was very nice. So let's take out blind bag number one. Blind bag number two. Number three. And finally number four. Just make sure you double check all the departments to make sure there's nothing missed. And this is so cool. I mean, it's got like little velcro so you can open and close the box. I think that was a really nice touch. Let's get this girl dressed up in all her amazing accessories. It's always better for me to not cut from the front as much, unless it's not going to damage the doll, but I prefer to do it from the back. At least you're not going to damage the Willow in any way. there we go, she is free from the box, and actually that was very easy. And there she is, beautiful. Just a side note, the one piece of her hair is gel. Do not brush it out, rather use lukewarm water and a shampoo just to make sure you do not damage the hair. But other than that, it's awesome. And please remember to remove the other half of the sand. I struggled like 20 minutes with the first one I opened. But yeah, just take that out, don't forget about it. You will notice there's actually a little space where you can tool the plastic instead of using a scissor or a knife, and to me that's much more fun. And there's a little comb and the bottom half of her stand and the top half. To assemble it is so easy. I mean, you just connect it to the bottom half and you connect the top half. On to the second surprise. And tear is always so much fun. And we have got her unicorn crown. I must say I had a bit of difficulty getting this on her. Keeps falling off, so let's excuse that. But if you do manage to put it on correctly, she looks really cute. And the next surprise. Tear the plastic. Right, there's her sunglasses. And a earring. So let's get it on her. I'm putting this at the side that's shaved on her head. I think it's going to stand out much more. And it actually does. She looks awesome. What I like about these sunglasses, they actually connect to the back of her ears. So it's not going to fall off easily. And that's the second earring. I actually thought she only came with one, but the second one is in the blind bag with the sunglasses, so make sure not to lose that piece because it is really small. Still struggling with a unicorn thing. I was looking for her shoes, gonna find it, and then I remembered I dropped it, so so let's have a look at her shoes. And those are some mean shoes. I mean, I love the tail effect at the back of the shoes. I think that's so awesome. Another note, you'll actually see at the bottom of the shoes it's marked left or right. So just keep an eye out for that. And here's the beautiful Willow. I would definitely recommend buying this one. And the fun parts, the box. Oh yeah, I forgot to put on the glasses. Fun part will be the box, which folds as a playset, which I think kids will enjoy a lot. And hers is themed rainbows and unicorns and clouds, so they're definitely going to enjoy playing with this doll.